Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna make a short review of my virtual automated warehouse created in Factor.io software, which I think is the best software for PLC training and simulation. And we have here a pick and place machine, some conveyors, a lot of sensors, mostly the retroreflective sensors, two big secure cranes, and racks. The system is working in the following way. The pallets are emitted by this pallet emitter and are transported via pallet conveyor. And as soon as the pallet is reaching the palleted place sensor, the pallet conveyor stops and waits for a pick and place machine to fill it with the boxes. And similar logic is for the box conveyor. The boxes are emitted by this box emitter and are transported via this box conveyor to the box place sensor. As soon as the box place sensor detects the boxes, box conveyor stops and the pick and place machine starts to pick the boxes from box conveyor and places them to the pallet. Pick and place machine actually places 4 pallets, and then the pallet conveyor starts again. Pallet with the boxes goes to the chain transfer, and depending on which stacker crane is busy, for example, if stacker crane number 1 is not busy, which means there is no pallet at this sensor, stacker crane 1 at load entry sensor, the chain transfer transfers the pallet to the stacker crane number 1. In case of stacker crane number 1 is busy, chain transfer the pallets to the right or to the stacker crane number 2. In case of both stacker cranes are busy, the chain transfer will send the pallets to the left. And all the system is controlled by the one PLC. In our case, this is the S7 1500 series PLC. Here's the project in TIA Portal. And this is the function for the steps for pick and place machine. As I said previously, we have to place 4 boxes to the pallets. And here are the steps for each box. For example, step number 1 for first box. Actually, here is the movements for the pick and place machine. There is a lot of speak about this. I think in the next video I will make the review of the logic, but for now you can just pause the video and study a little bit the logic. This is step number 2 for the second box. Here is the step number 3 for third box. Here is network for step number 4 for fourth box. I don't have the real PLC, so for the simulation I will use the PLC Sim Advanced version 4.0, and now we will see the system in action.